What will help our children thrive 20 years from now? And the answer is life skills. While exploring, we discovered the beautiful philosophy of Maria Montessori, which talks about building life skills in the child. We always dreamt of starting a school, a place where every child's journey is personalized, where freedom is valued, and where learning happens through hands on experiences. Our dream was not just a school, but a home of happiness, where children feel safe, loved, and excited to come every day. Montessori called the school a house of children, a warm, welcoming space where every child feels at home. And it hearts its freedom, freedom to choose, freedom of concentration, and freedom to repeat until they feel confident. Just like nature created us, children learn through nature. Phool, phal, pattiya, exploring, touching, and discovering the world around them, enjoying every little wonder.
Imagine a 3-year-old child coming and telling you, मुझे खुद करना है, मैं खुद कर सकता हूँ. Have you seen this kind of confidence in a child? It has come from the philosophy of Maria Montessori. The child actually picks up things like sweeping, cleaning, combing their own hair, cutting, chopping. This actually increases their focus, independence, and concentration. Children are actually very curious, and their senses actually draw them to the sensorial material. Their favorite is pink tar, color tablets. They touch, they feel, they smell, and through that they really learn about the sensorial material and enhance their senses. Have you ever seen a school where you're allowed to speak? Freedom of speech is the beauty in a Montessori environment. We allow the child to express themselves, starting from the different things around them, the picture cards, the object box, to alphabets and to sentences. Through all of this, they love and they learn how to read and write beautifully at their own pace. आपको मैथ से डर लगता था? It often scared me a lot. And you know what? In the Montessori environment, Maria Montessori has curated beautifully and concrete material through which you can learn all the concepts of maths. From quantity to number cards to addition to fractions. You should come and touch them to learn maths in a beautiful way. It will never scare you. Maria Montessori really believed that learning should be real and connected to nature, what they see around them. We actually really help the child learn culture through all hands-on material. So we have for geography, we have the globe, we have the cabinets. For botany, we actually walk in the environment, touch the leaves and feel it. We draw with that. Even in our art corner, we get leaves and mud to really make the art so creative for the child. Reading is a part of our school. Every child enjoys that cozy space where they sit, they pick their own book and they'll come and say, Didi, ye book padhe aaj? So everything is related to our culture. At the Journey Montessori School, we follow the child. We actually go by the developmental milestones of every child, and that's what makes the learning unique for every child in the school.
It's not just a school, but an extended home with daycare too. We understand the challenges working parents face, and that's why we have created a safe, caring space where children can learn, play, and feel at home even after school hours.